ARMM Governor Mujib Hataman believes members of the MILF, BIFF, and private armed groups may have helped each other against the PNP SAF troopers. Hataman expressed such belief during his presentation of what he found out on the incident before the Senate inquiry. Again, added details from Jane Miguel.
ARMM Governor Mujib Hataman became emotional on his response to Senator Alan Peter Cayetano's statement on acts of terrorism in Mindanao.
And if you look at history with history in a more objective way, talagang nawala na ang dapat na hindi mawala sa Bangsamoro.
Chairman Iqbal, I do not deny the injustice done to the Bangsamoro people. What I'm saying is that biktima din ng kalupitan ng Hapon nung giyera ang ibang taga-Visayas at Mindanao at Luzon. Biktima din ng 300 na panahon ng Espanyol yung iba. But in the last 20 years, ang MILF at ang rebellion nyo, ang nakabiktima, ang naging biktima, ang kapwa nyong Pilipino sa Mindanao. Dahil kung hindi kayo gumamit ng dahas sa inyong struggle for self-determination, peaceful naman dapat ang Mindanao ngayon eh. Pero ang pinili nyo kasi ay gumamit ng hindi lang ng dahas, hindi lang armed struggle, pero terrorist acts like bombing, arson, and destruction of... I'll give you an example, sir. Mr. Chairman, sinabi ni Secretary Deles nung isang araw, isipin nyo, sir, nakakagawa na ng kalye ngayon dahil sa ceasefire. Abay, magpapasalamat pa pala kami sa inyo na nakakagawa kami ng kalye.
Senator Alan, matagal tayong magkasama sa Kongreso. At naniniwala rin po ako na marami kang constituency sa Taguig. Pero ang akin lang, ang application natin, halimbawa, tulad ng terorismo, hindi ko kinakampihan ng MILF dito. Halimbawa, itatanong ko lang, tinagba natin ng NPA kung nagsunog sila ng equipment ng mga mina. Kung nagbomba sila, tinagba ng Philippine government o ng ating gobyerno o ng ating batas na sila ay terorista. Noong 2000, ganito rin, Your Honor, gusto ko lang pakita para parehong application natin sa batas. Dahil alam nyo, yung hearing na to sa totoo lang, pagbasahin nyo lahat ng social media, pag merong magsalita against the Bangsamoro, lahat ng laman ng social media, parang ang kasalanan na to ay kasalanan ng buong mamamayang Moro.
Meanwhile, OPAP Chair Teresita Gindeles clarified that the MILF was already taken out of America's terrorist list.
I can't just let it go because so much was said about the relationship between terrorism and revolutionary movements, and I think that the manifestation of Senator Cayetano, there is a part there that I wish to underline, because precisely this will help to enlighten the discourse. He said that that the U.S. government had wanted to put MILF in the terrorist list. It was a Philippine government that asked that it not be included, but very meaningfully, it also said that the U.S. government decided eventually that the best way to delink terrorism and MILF as a revolutionary movement was the peace process.
Prior to the heated argument, Hataman said he is hoping that the public would not only mourn for the fallen members of SAF, but also for the innocent civilians who were killed in the operation. Hataman then presented his findings on the gruesome encounter in Maguindanao as a result of his personal visit in Tucanalipaw and Mamasapano, which are the two places where the bloody operation occurred.
Una, narinig na po natin ang presentation ng PNP, ang presentation ng AFP. At lahat po tayo ay naghahangad ng katarungan. Katarungan sa SAF 44. Pero ang nakakalungkot ho, katarungan para sa MILF. Pero higit sa lahat po, mas mahalaga sa atin ang katarungan para sa inosenteng mamamayan.
For the People's Television, this is Jade Miguel reporting.